As last week's book review episode outlined, there are books for the perplexed on the market, and Tony Jappy's book was my main ally in 2014-2015 in translating Peirce. But even with his accessible reader on Peirce's Semiotics, the dissonance between Peirce's language and the language of designers was too great. This opened up a whole fresh area of research in my PhD, which would not be resolved directly in my thesis, but addressed within several appendices. It was these appendices, after gaining my doctorate, that have since spun into these Semiosis 101 videos. After all, if I had to work hard at Peirce at doctoral level and my Viva examiners were also ignorant of Peirce, then there was a need for a designer-centric version of Peirce's theory of semiosis.